Bigger unit, better value, and best location future-proof. Dito lahat yan sa Erin Heights. Subscribe now and join your Space Scout only here in Space in Focus PH.
Hey future homeowners, kamusta po kayo dyan? This is your Space Scout Aaron, in-house broker of DMCI Homes. And yes, I handle all DMCI projects nationwide. Kung nanonood kayo ngayon, malamang nagpa-plan kayo ng investment habang nasa abroad. Or gusto niyo ng future home para sa family niyo sa Philippines. Or naghahanap kayo ng property na secured, maayos at pang long term. Sa video na to, i-share ko sa inyo ang project details, available units and prices, amenities at isang real sample computation. Para kahit wala kayo ngayon sa Philippines, parang nag-site viewing na rin kayo. Tara, simulan natin to. This project is located in Commonwealth Avenue, corner Tandangsora Avenue, Quezon City. Base experience ko handling DMCI projects, isa to sa pinaka-strategic location sa Quezon City. Bakit? Commonwealth is a major growth area, malapit sa schools, hospitals at business hubs, at harap mismo ng MRT-7 Tandangsora Station. Para sa OFWs, sobrang importante nito kasi madaling puntahan ng family, madaling paupahan, at mataas ang potential value in the future. Big picture muna tayo. This is a high-rise residential condominium. Total land area is 6,103 square meters. Modern, tropical and design kaya presko at hindi masikip. 55 floors ang total, 54 ang dedicated for residential floors. 53% ang amenities and open space. 8 basement parking floors and 1 amenity level. In my real estate experience, masasabi ko talaga na hindi tinipid ang planning ng Erin Heights. Ramdam mo ang space at hindi siksikan. Now let's talk about units. Very important lalo na kung bibili kayo habang nasa abroad. First, studio units. 28.5 to 32.5 square meters. 5.17 to 6.8 million. Ideal para sa single professionals, rental income, and first-time investors. Second, 2-bedroom units. 48.5 hanggang 117 square meters. 7.2 to 16.8 million. Perfect para sa OFW families, couples na uuwi sa future, and use or long-term rental. Next is 3-bedroom units, 76.5 to 183 square meters, starts at 10.56 million. Best para sa bigger families, long-term living, and multi-generation setup. Turnover date is October 2027. For OFWs, magandang timeline to kasi mahabang preparation, hindi biglaan ang gastos at pwede nyo i-align sa pag-uwi nyo sa Philippines. Isa sa mga pinakasolid na selling point ng Erin Heights ay number 1, schools. 5 minutes lang from UP Diliman, 6 minutes New Era University, 7 minutes Miriam College, and 10 minutes Ateneo de Manila. Kung hospitals naman, 1 minute lang to Diliman Doctors, 6 minutes NKTI, 6 minutes Philippine Heart Center, and 11 minutes Veterans Memorial. Other commercial and business areas are 5 minutes lang UP Techno Hub, 5 minutes UP Town Center, 12 minutes Trinoma, and 15 minutes SM North. Sa experience ko, condos na malapit sa hospitals at schools, laging may demand, madaling paupahan at safe sa long-term investment. Harap mismo to ng MRT-7 Tandangsora Station. This alone is a major advantage. Kapag operational na fully ang MRT-7, mas tataas ang accessibility and usually kasunod niya ng pagtaas ng property value. Now let's talk lifestyle. We have outdoor amenities. Entrance gate and guardhouse, drop-off area, kiddie and leisure pool, play area and shooting court, feature garden, sky promenade, sky lounge, and sky deck pool. For our indoor amenities, we have fitness gym, game area, entertainment room, co-working space, and snack bar. Other facilities that you and your family will enjoy are convenience store, card-operated laundry, water refilling station, high-speed elevators, 100% backup power, garbage chute, shuttle service, and water recycling system. The project is handled by property management, kaya maayos ang maintenance, mas maganda ang kondisyon, kaya tumatagal na maganda ang property. Now let's talk numbers. Real numbers na walang paligoy-ligoy. 2-bedroom unit price is 7,215,000. Down payment is only 12%, which is 865,800. Reservation fee is only 20,000. Net down payment is 845,800. The down payment is payable in 40 months with zero interest. We offer flexible payment terms up to 40 months, and you may pay more anytime if your funds allow. Remaining 88% is 6,349,200 pesos. The closing fees is 10.5%, which is 757,575 pesos. Pwede bayaran via bank loan, in-house financing, 10, 15, or 20 years term. For OFWs, very manageable to, lalo na kung monthly ang income from abroad.